Kitchen TuneUp offers fast and affordable updates to transform your kitchen in only 1 to 5 days.
I couldn't believe how fast and affordable it was.
Our original tune-up process restores the finish on wood cabinets in only 1 day. Cabinet refacing provides the look of a completely new kitchen with no demolition and for much less than all new cabinetry. We also offer custom cabinets, closets, roll-out trays, kitchen organizers, and much more. Call Kitchen TuneUp and schedule a complimentary estimate today.